Hello, my name is Enrique Hernandez. I am part of the team at AITIIP Technological Centre. In the Compass project, we are responsible of the thermoplastic composite remanufacturing service, KIR. Our goal is to extend the life cycle of high-performance thermoplastic parts to extend their life cycle, especially in the aerospace and automotive sectors. Our manufacturing process is designed to reuse and reshape end-of-life composite parts rather than discard them. One of the key challenges we are addressing is how to reshape complex thermoplastic parts without damaging their structure. To do this, we start by using a modular heating system. The innovative part here is the individual control of each lamp, allowing for uniform and precise heating. This is crucial to avoid temperature imbalance, which may cause defects such as warping or material degradation. Regarding the flattening process, after the modular infrared heating, we use a modular tension system to prepare the composite part for reshaping. The part is then reshaped using a custom one more, featuring integrated cooling channels for faster controlled thermal cycles. Finally, we use an injection molding machine as a high-speed press to achieve efficient and accurate shaping. Our KIR not only reduces material waste and carbon dioxide, but also save costs by reusing composites. It's a sustainable and scalable solution for industry within the aeronautical and automotive sector. Thanks for watching. Follow the Compass project to discover more about our innovative solutions.